Hello, welcome to the lab, and thank you for your agreement to participate in today's experiment. I'm now going to demonstrate how to put on the virtual reality headset and how to go through each trial. To put on the headset, adjust the strap width to your head size. To make the strap tighter, pull the two plastic buckles apart, and to make it looser, push the buckles closer together. When you enter the scene, you should see a square that says press trigger to continue. Press the trigger button on the back of the controller to go to the next square direction, which will tell you that you are starting with the practice rounds. There will be 4 practice trials in total. The practice trials are set up the same way as the experiment trials. In each trial, you'll be searching for an object on the ground. The object's location can be in any direction and can also be close to you or somewhat farther away. The objects you'll be searching for include a Lego, a wallet, a pill bottle, an army statue, and a hiking stick. Please pause here for a complete list of potential targets and try to memorize them as best you can. While you cannot walk around, you can turn in any direction, like so, and also look up and down. You will have 30 seconds to find each object. In between each trial, the screen will turn black. The timer will start when the screen lights up again. Press the trigger button again to proceed to the next direction, which will ask you to press A or X to start the experiment. These keys can be found on the top of the controller where your thumb will normally be placed. Press X or A when you are ready to start the practice trials. To indicate that you have found an object, move the raycast, or the line connecting to the controller, over to the object. Press the trigger button on the back of the controller to make the object disappear, which signals that the trial is complete and you can move on to the next trial. Press A or X to proceed to the next trial. If the object does not disappear the first time you press the trigger button, try again on a slightly different part of the object until the object disappears. If you have any questions during the practice trials related to controls, please ask them as soon as possible. Also, if at any time you feel uncomfortable or sick, please take off the headset and notify the experimenter immediately. You will still receive compensation. You will know the trials have ended when you see a "Thanks for participating" sign in front of your player when you try to turn in the environment. You are now ready to start the experiment. The first block of trials will contain 26 trials and will last no longer than 13 minutes. The second block of trials will be identical to the first trial block and will last the same amount of time. It is important that you do as well as you can on these trials. This is important data that will be used for a number of different research purposes. Thank you again for your participation, and please direct your attention back to the experimenter at this time.